Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am showing how to start a React Redux app in 2023. Yes, there is something new this year. You'll see it in a minute, but first things first, let's head over to the official Redux documentation. You can easily find the link in the description below. Once there, navigate to the section titled Create a React Redux app. Here we'll find the recommended way to start new apps with React and Redux, which is by using the official Redux+TS template for Vite. Now you might be wondering, what is Vite and why do they recommend it? Well, Vite is a fast development build tool that significantly speeds up the development process. It leverages native ES modules to offer lightning-fast hot module replacement during development, resulting in a smoother experience overall. If you want to learn more, you can check out the Vite page or do a quick search on Google. Alternatively, stay tuned because I'll be covering this in detail in one of our future videos. Now, let's get back to our Redux installation process. To begin, we'll copy this command line from the documentation and paste it into the terminal. We'll make sure to customize the app's name by changing it from My App to RR2023. which stands for React Redux 2023. As we proceed with the installation, we'll be prompted to install Digit. Digit is a powerful tool that allows us to clone repositories easily. We'll go ahead and install it to proceed with our app setup. Now that Digit is installed, we're ready for the last step before we start coding. It's as simple as running the command npm install in the terminal. With all the packages installed, we're now set to launch our development server using the command npm run dev. This will compile our app, set up the development environment, and provide us with real-time updates as we make changes to our code. And there you have it. We've successfully set up a brand new React Redux app using the official Redux+TS template for Vite. In this tutorial, we learned about Vite and its benefits for React and Redux development, and we've laid the groundwork for building our own amazing apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow developers. Also, if you're interested in learning more about Vite and why it has gained popularity, stay tuned for our upcoming video dedicated entirely to that topic. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you all in the next video. Happy coding!